This is my Hoover 1-power cordless, lightweight, cordless, convenient vacuum cleaner. I ordered this from Amazon. It did not take long for me to get it in, probably less than 2 weeks, maybe a week. But anyway, I'm fixing to take it all out of the box, and I'll show you all the pieces that come with it. 3-year limited warranty. Includes 1-power, 4-hour, I think that's 4-hour, battery and charger, antimicrobial brush roll and pet odor filter, weighs less than 9 pounds, feather light, woo, and holds 3 times more dirt than a stick vac. So we're going to see, because that last vacuum that I ordered, it was not a Hoover, it was a different brand, did not work worth beans. So we're going to try this. And as usual, my phone rings. I'll be back. This is how it came. This is what came with it. It came with a battery. It came with the charger. And this tape was like this, which is weird because it almost gives me the impression that it's been used, but I don't know. It may have just been packed that way. A book, manual, the handle with a quick start guide that tells you how to put it together. Apparently it just snaps. And the base. And yeah. So I'm going to put this together in a minute. Let me see if I can figure out how to get this off. Well, I guess you push both in and then it comes up. So that's hard for me to try to do it while I'm holding the phone, because you got to have 3 hands to do it, and I don't have 3 hands. So I'm going to take it apart and I'll be right back. This is the button that takes this out. So you push that down and it comes out. Okay, so it comes out. This is the button that you press to open it up to change the filter. Here's the filter. Okay, that. And this right here is, let me see if I can get my fingers around it, is the button that empties it. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, I'm going to put this all together, and we're going to try it out, because I have birds that put bird seed all over the floor in the den, and I'm constantly looking for an easy way to get it up every day. So we're going to try it out. Okay, you can see where my birds make a big mess. See all my birds? Say hello, birds. I've got lots of birds. Okay, this I've got put together. This is the start. This mode is, let me get over here and you can see a little bit better. Hard floor, carpet, and brush off, which I'll have to read about that. So, turn it on. Put it on carpet. Put your foot on it. Just push it back and then it'll start. So we're fixing to see how good this works. It turns really well. It turns in whatever direction you want it to turn in. It seems like it's working a lot better than that other vacuum I tried. I like this. Because I like to spot clean during the day. And it's hard to pull the big vacuum out all the time. So, it's got some pretty good suction power. I like that. So, Well, it's pretty easy to maneuver. So, when you pull it up, turn it off. Okay, so, as you can see, there's still a little bit left on the floor, but that might be because I was trying to do this one-handed. I do like this vacuum. Hoover, it's a great brand. It does seem to have some pretty good suction power. I would have to use it a few more times to make up my mind whether I really like it or not. The only thing I do not like about it is the fact that a lot of cordless vacs will come apart where you can vacuum, like use it as a hand vac. This does not do that. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. But look, boy, it just did suck all those seeds up. So yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna use it for a few days, and then I will give my final assessment on whether I really like this product or not.